Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to type beta symbol in MS Word. So friends, to type and insert beta symbol, there are some easy method. First one, click on insert. Now click on equation. So friends, you will see this field. In here you need to find out beta symbol. This one. So just select it. That's it. So friends, it's first method we can type beta symbol. And another method, click on insert, click on symbol, more symbols. Now friends, you will see character code. So insert character code 03B2. So you can find very easily this beta symbol. Type this character code 03B2, then click on insert. That's it. And another method to type beta symbol, if you have numeric keyboard, so press and hold Alt key plus 946. Actually, I don't have numeric keyboard, but you can try on your PC or laptop. So Alt and plus 946. Just you need to type this code. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method, we can type beta symbol on MS Word. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.